is the EPSRC Future Manufacturing Hub in manufacture using advanced powder processes. We are a group of 6 universities who are working together to solve the problems of use of powders in some of these advanced processes like additive manufacturing and spark plasma sintering, and enable them to meet their potential as full manufacturing solutions for industry. If you were to join MAPP, you'd be joining a great group of young and experienced researchers across the UK working on absolutely cutting-edge aspects of working in powders. But it's not just the powder side of things that's going on. We've got work going on developing brand new techniques that we're using on beam lines, brand new approaches to classifying and understanding materials in general, coming up with new algorithms in machine learning and artificial intelligence, and new ways of looking deep into the heart of matter.
For me, what makes MAPP a great place to work and a great team to work in is the variety of people we've got. So we've got people who've done work in industry before, we've got people who've come in and are working within other universities, and they've got different backgrounds, they've got different skill sets, and they've got access to different types of equipment. So we've got a really interesting pool of knowledge and experience to draw on that's far greater than what we'd have if we were just sitting here by ourselves.
The team that we've got is fantastic. A variety of different institutions, so we have the staff and really excellent resources. So for me, this is a brilliant place in order to develop my research.
We get to work with academic institutions in different groups that work on specific things, but also we're working with something called cross-cutting teams, which provide us with resources to do some advanced characterizations of materials, of processes that otherwise we wouldn't be able to do, so that's very helpful.
It's a collaborative project between 6 well-established universities and 17 industrial partners, starting from all the companies which they make the powder up to go down to the process and also final part.
The great thing about this field is that it's moving so fast, constantly on the move, new questions being asked, all questions being answered, questions that are relevant currently may not be in a week's time. And this is all cutting edge technology, so it's a wonderful, wonderful group to work with.
So besides access to a lot of expertise within the academic partners of the MAPP and industry, of course, there is a lot of mentorship in MAPP. There is a lot of access to interesting talks that otherwise I wouldn't be able to see or hear. And of course, collaboration, structure and networking provides a lot of opportunities for very good science.
We also get trained how to use not just the machines we're working on down in the lab for creating parts, we also get trained on other machines, things like analysis techniques. For example, we get trained on how to use the microscopes, X-rays, that sort of thing. And it's just to make you all round a more competent researcher.
Give me opportunity to work with very well-known universities, very well-known academia people who were working in the chemical engineering or material science, and also gave me the opportunity to work closer with the well-known industry in additive manufacturing as well, and be part of the very big project.
My supervisor is Professor Ian Todd. He's the head of the research group at MAPP. He's always there to help us, give a helping hand, suggest things.
They are really like an academic way, they are really good, and also if we have any problem, if I have any problem, personal, even in a personal life problem, they are being there for me and helping me, so I'm really, really lucky to have them.
But I would say highlight was my trip to Diamond Light Source, to the synchrotron, to do some characterization of selective laser melting or sintering of ceramic materials in collaboration with one of the our partners in MAPP.
Additive manufacturing is a very promising field, and for the future I hope that I could find a very good opportunity to work in either in industry or in research in academia. So I believe that this got a very promising future.
If you come and work with us, you'll find yourself working with some great people in great organisations, doing exciting science, and with a real sense of purpose, which I think is something we have.